This extraordinary tofu is a celebration of colors and incredible aroma and flavor, and it will redefine your perception of tofu. It's insanely delicious, healthy and satisfying, and you can create endless meals. And the best part, it's on budget, quick and so easy to make. We're going to use 600 grams of firm tofu and we're going to crumble it. You can use your hands to do that, but I'm going to use fork because this is going to do the job so much faster. Chop a half red bell pepper and half yellow bell pepper. Chop medium-sized onion. Chop 3 tomatoes and mince 4 garlic cloves. Heat the pan over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and spread it nicely over the surface of the pan. Add the crumbled tofu to the pan and stir it nicely. Cover the pan, this way the steams will cook the tofu much faster. After 5 minutes, stir the tofu once again and keep cooking it until the tofu becomes golden. After the tofu is cooked well, add the onion, bell pepper, tomatoes and the garlic. Stir everything well and cover the pan. Cook it around 10 minutes until the onion and the bell peppers are softened. Meanwhile, take the non-stick pan and heat it over low to medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 1 tablespoon of paprika, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of ground allspice and 1 teaspoon of ground coriander. The heat will boost the aroma and the flavors of the spices. Toast the spices between 2 to 4 minutes or until you feel the aroma of the spices. Pour the spices into the tofu and mix it well with the tofu and the vegetables. Add 4 tablespoons of the nutritional yeast for the extra protein and stir everything well once again and let it cook for another few minutes. While it's cooking, take 100 grams of concentrated tomato paste, add 1 cup of water and whisk it well. Now pour it into the tofu and stir everything well. Cover the pan and cook it until all the liquids are absorbed by the tofu. This tofu mixture is healthy, delicious and satisfying, and you can use it to create endless meals. You can put this tofu mixture on a toast layered with mustard, lettuce and pickles, and it's a great meal on the go. If you want a healthy snack, add the tofu mixture and tortilla layered with vegan mayo and tahini on the side. If you need a protein boost after a workout, put this tofu mixture on quinoa, tahini and fresh basil.